is what you pay for, folks. Even though the water park is not open, that is okay.
It still looks cool.
It still looks very cool. That is a massive volcano. So you can see the lazy river and all the other slides and stuff. So you can see downtown Orlando. You can see the Orlando Eye right there. And lots of other cool stuff. Hello, this is our room here at Cabana Bay. This is in building 8. We have a Volcano Bay
Water park
view.
Yes.
Like I said, we're in building 8, room
12.
80, 912.
8912.
Yes, 8912. So we have in the corner here a table and chairs. We've got some plugs, USB ports. This, of course, is our Volcano Bay view right here, which is awesome. And then there's 2 queen beds. There is a plug on that side of the bed, but no table, so we make a little makeshift table. And then 2 beds. It's very retro-y vibe. We've got a clock, a little nightstand, and then this is a connecting room here. Lots of space on the side of the bed. And then over here is the TV and fridge and 4 drawers. Yeah, our last fridge did not work. TV, thermostat, da-da-da, and then closet, and there's the safe, jacket not included, bathroom. It's got plenty of space, 1 sink, 2 drawers, shelves underneath. This is the bathroom. Big shower, VO5 hair products, and good old zest. Test to conduct. And she works, yay! Bonus! All right, so this is our room here for the next 2 nights. Lots and lots of floor space. You can kind of see it doesn't feel cramped at all.
No, it doesn't. It feels good.
And the floor to ceiling windows are super nice.
I'm really happy with Cabana Bay.
Yeah. It is crazy how much a view can change your perspective of a resort. That is for sure. So, yeah, here we go.